How do you condition suppliers? What can you do to make sure that the supplier will give you the very best terms? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Today I want to share with you 3 tips that will help you to condition the suppliers effectively. The first one, the general impression that you give, which is about how you dress, the kind of behavior that you have during the calls and during the meeting, the documents that you have, whether your company has a professional website, whether you track the data so that you have updated KPIs. The second idea is about highlighting the opportunity. So in that case, you get suppliers to be motivated by talking about the fact that there are new markets, that there is a growth potential, that you are open to change, that you're working across business units so that there is a clear opportunity out there. The third idea, highlighting the challenge. In those kind of situations, you instead put the focus on the fact that there is increased competition, that there is maybe low-cost players coming from other markets, that your company is under financial pressure and you need the very best terms, or other kind of constraints on your side that really encourage them to do their very best. To summarize, 3 key ideas to condition your suppliers: your general impression, highlighting the opportunity, highlighting the challenge. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you very much.